Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk to you about a hobby versus a business. When I first joined Plexus, all I wanted to do was to lose a few pounds. And then I did. I lost several inches, went down 2 pant sizes, watched my husband's checks grow, and the reason I was involved with Plexus changed because I saw financially what it could do. My eyes were opened when I was at a Plexus convention, and all of a sudden I realized that Plexus was not a hobby for us anymore, that if I put my efforts into it, it could be a huge business. So my actions changed and our business continued to grow. Many of you want your Plexus business to grow, so I think that one of the biggest problems that most people have is they don't know what it takes to be in business for themselves. They treat Plexus as a hobby, not as a business. So let's talk about that for a minute. I have hobbies. My husband has hobbies. He likes to fish, and he fishes whenever he can. He works it into his life. When he doesn't have other obligations, he works it into his life. I like to read. I like to travel, do things. So we fit it into our lives when we can, whenever we have a spare moment. And that is what a hobby is. A hobby is something we do for fun. But a business, on the other hand, is different. I have many friends who have a business for themselves. My dad was self-employed. He had an electrical contracting business. And when he opened business, he had to have a storefront. So he owned a large warehouse. Actually, it was several warehouses. And he had property taxes on those. And he had employees that he had to hire. He had taxes he had to pay. He had insurance he had to pay. He had a lot of expenses. He had to purchase vehicles for these employees to drive, to do the jobs they needed, tools. And it took a lot of money. He had a lot of investment. And many people have to go out and borrow a lot of money to begin a business. Now, because they spent a lot of money, they go out and they work really, really hard because they have those payments they have to make. They have rent they have to make. They have those insurance and tax bills and payroll they have to make. So they go out and they promote their business with everything that they have. And usually the businesses don't make money the first few years. In fact, they say if you can break even after several years that you've done pretty good. So after several years, though, people may start making business kind of income. Well, with Plexus, the difference is it costs you $34.95 to join. So you don't have big payments that you have to make. You don't have payroll that you have to make. So many people don't work Plexus like they do a regular business. They just work it like a hobby, which is, whenever they have time or whenever they can fit it into their schedule. If Plexus cost you $10,000 to join, you would treat it a little differently. Sometimes I wish it did cost more. If you had to make payments on it, you would get out there and work it with everything that you had. You would find time every day. It might be just 15 minutes, but you would find time every day set aside to work your business to make it pay for itself. But because it only cost you $34.95, many of you don't treat it that way. To treat Plexus like a business, you've got to have some employees, right? You've got to build a team, which means you've got to talk to people. You've got to advertise. Many of you might advertise on Facebook by a little post every now and then. But you've got to let people know that you're in business. They can't join your business if they don't know that you are in business. Some of your friends, in fact, come to me for their Plexus because you've not told them that you're involved with Plexus. I know you're friends with them because I see that we're friends on Facebook. So you've got to find a team. If you're going to be in business for yourself, you've got to set some business hours. It may be 15 minutes every night before you go to bed, but you need to find that time to work your business. You've got to invest in your business. Remember the regular business that you set up? You had to buy business cards and you had to have a storefront. Well, your storefront may be your home. your home office, that's fine, but you still need some business cards. You need some way to let people know about your Plexus business. So Plexus only cost you $34.95. But if you have looked at the average income salary chart for Plexus, it can make you much more than my dad's electrical contracting business did. I see people doing this every day. We're able to make more money part-time than you can with that full-time traditional job, the job that ties you down and gives you no freedom. With Plexus, though, if you believed that you had that opportunity to make that kind of money, I think that you would work this much harder than you are instead of treating it like a hobby. So if you want hobby pay, just work it whenever you can, and you'll continue to get hobby pay. If you want business pay, you've got to start treating it like a business. It's something that we have to learn if you've never been in business for yourself. So, hey, I'm ready to work this as a business. I want that big pay, not hobby pay. I know some of you guys really want that too. So examine your business. How are you treating it? Are you treating it like a hobby, or are you treating it like a business? Let's get to work.